Even with rates up sharply, could this be the real estate market you've been waiting for? Stay tuned to find out. Hi, I'm Matt DeFanis, broker owner of RE/MAX Realty Associates, serving the greater Champaign-Urbana area. 2022 has seen us go from the most superheated real estate market in history to something very different. Traditionally, a 6-month supply of homes was considered a balanced market. That is, a 6-month supply meant that the market conditions were not tilted in favor of either buyers or sellers. By spring of 2022, our market supply of homes had dwindled to a truly alarming supply of less than 4 weeks. With nowhere near enough homes, bidding wars became common. We had numerous clients pay $20,000 to $30,000 over list price on mainstream price range homes to win bidding wars. Some of those bidding wars involved as many as 20 offers on a single home. This caused rapid price escalation. This created ongoing concern that homes being financed would not appraise at the contract prices when it came time for the lender-required appraisals. These conditions created a small number of winners and a lot of losers. The winners tended to be buyers able to pay cash or those with sufficient cash on hand to promise in writing that they would cover any appraisal shortfall. These buyers were often older or had the benefit of parents willing to step in with a cash infusion if needed. By contrast, the losers tended to be first-time buyers with limited cash on hand. They may have had sterling credit and excellent income, but if they did not have stockpiles of cash sitting around, their offers didn't stand a chance in an intense bidding war. Jump forward just a few months and everything has changed. Sales are down sharply. October 2022 saw about 20% fewer homes go under contract than the same month a year earlier. The supply of available homes is up significantly. Now, we're nowhere near that 6-month supply that would normally be associated with a balanced market. As of October, we were sitting at a 1.4-month supply. But the dramatic buyer activity drop means that the market is tilting more in favor of buyers than that number suggests. Many homes are not selling quickly, and price reductions are now common. Those low-cash, first-time buyers aren't being left for dead anymore. And the pullback on home prices means that appraisal shortfalls aren't much of a concern in this environment either. In short, if you were frustrated by or shut out of the hot market, this might well be the opportunity that you have been awaiting. So what about rates? While mortgage rates have roughly doubled in the last year, those rates are largely responsible for the sudden cool down of the market. You may find that today's rates reduce your spending power a bit, but if you're able to make a purchase in this market, you're getting the permanent benefit of a more affordable purchase price. The rate, on the other hand, doesn't have to be permanent. If you get a fixed rate mortgage, you're guaranteed it never goes up. But when rates drop, you can refinance into a lower rate mortgage and drop your payment. If you wait to buy until rates fall meaningfully, there's a good chance prices are going to be surging again, which would make you worse off compared to buying in the current market. Now, if you're a seller, you need to be prepared to price more conservatively. For my most recent listing sales, that has meant pricing on the low end of the range that's indicated by recently closed comparable sales, understanding that many of those most recent sales were the result of out-of-control bidding wars that we no longer are seeing. But we've not magically solved the housing shortage, so homes priced right will still sell. If you need to sell and purchase, you can finally do so and have homes available to purchase. For many months, would-be sellers could not take advantage of the seller's market because they feared not having anything to buy once their home sold. I hope you find this information useful, but it's no substitute for an individual consultation about your specific circumstances. Please contact any of my excellent team members or me at any time to learn more.